Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I want to share with you a wonderful winter blooming herbaceous perennial. This is Adonis. Adonis is its scientific name, not too scary a Latin name. This is Adonis amurensis, which means from Amur, as in the Amur River and the Amur River Valley in, I think, eastern China and the Soviet Union, or Russia, thereabouts. And the one in the front garden started blooming at least a month ago. It started blooming before our two snowstorms, and the flowers were completely covered by snow. This one started blooming only about a week ago, no, a couple weeks ago, but and there's still lots of buds not even yet open. And this looks a lot like its cousin, the winter aconites, which is Aranthus hymali. But the winter aconite is, flowers, and in another 6 weeks will go dormant for the rest of the year. This is a perennial that is blooming now, but will have this beautiful finely cut fern-like foliage all through the summer up until frost. So it's not a spring ephemeral at all. It's a winter blooming, summer growing herbaceous perennial. The flower stalks will get a little bit taller as it continues to bloom. The foliage will make a mass about 18 inches across. They're slow to increase and very hard to come by nowadays. But this is a Japanese selection. It's the cultivar Fukujukai. I don't know what that means, but it has a bigger flower and more petals than just your run-of-the-mill Adonis amurensis. It wants a shady location and just average garden soil. It's gotten a little bit too crowded by our native Christmas fern, and I think one or the other is going to have to be transplanted to a new location so the Adonis is not set back by the fern. It doesn't seem to be terribly set back by it, but I think it would be better to give it its own space. We're going to go see a couple other cultivars of this plant. So let's head off to see them. Ready. This is a very special selection of the same plant, Adonis amurensis. This is another Japanese cultivar, Sandanzaki. Instead of having the pistil and the stamens in the center, has all these green petaloids. In time, I think it'll develop another center of yellow petals, so you have these several series of different colored petals. It's been a little bit slow to develop, but maybe this isn't the best location for it. But a real lovely thing. Yeah, here's a wild type Adonis amurensis. It has a lot fewer petals than the fancy cultivars we looked at, but it still has a presence in the garden. This is a small plant. It was planted a while ago, but I guess in time it'll make a thick clump of blooms. This is still Adonis amurensis, but a very special orange one. The Japanese cultivar name is Chichibu Beni, Beni meaning red, and it's a very orange red, but it's a lovely thing. It's a young plant. It's only in the garden for a few years, and time will make a nice mass. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.